So let's just start by reading the question. So it says, Brian is driving on a highway. He uses 1 gallon of gas every 30 miles he drives. The distance d in miles he travels on g gallons of gas is given by the following. How far does Brian drive if he uses 4 gallons of gas? So a lot of people are going to look at this question and they're going to say, I don't get it, and not try. Okay. This is all background information for this question that you don't necessarily need to know to answer it. Okay. The only thing really important that you need to know is this. The distance d in miles he travels on g gallons of gas is given by the following. So you need to know that d stands for distance and g stands for gallons of gas. Essentially, that's all you need. The rest of this is like a little fun story. Not really fun, but whatever. So if you look at this, you say d equals 30g. And then it asks you the question, because this is the question. Notice that there's nothing up here that it's asking you to do. There's no question. It's all statement. This is the question. How far does Brian drive if he uses 4 gallons of gas? Now, remember, they already told us what G stands for, and that's gallons of gas, right? And then it says, how far does Brian drive? That's essentially describing distance, okay? And then this is that. So if I'm looking for distance, that's what I'm solving for, right? So D equals 30G. But it tells you how many gallons of gas you have. In this scenario, G equals 4. So 30 times 4 is D. So that is 120. So you're just going to put that in there. Okay. So before you tell me that you don't know how to do this question, please know that this is a very simple question where you're inputting essentially a value for a variable to solve a question. So that's it. It's very simple. I don't think they might not do division. I think it's all going to be multiplication for this question. If you get something that's a little confusing, just let me know and I will help. Good luck, guys.